Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into this new session, quick tips, and let's teach you how to make a brush out of your signature. So I wrote my signature out with the regular black pen on a piece of paper. I scanned it in the scanner and brought it into Photoshop Elements. Now, basically, we want to make a brush out of this. So you go over to make sure that your picture is nice and contrasty. So you go to Enhance. Actually, let's pick the layer first. Go to Enhance, Lighting, Brightness, and you want to make sure to bring up the brightness and also bring up the contrast. That's going to make the picture nice and black. See, if I lower the contrast, you can see the letters change slightly. So I'm going to make it nice and really contrasty so the black really jumps out right at you. See, if I lessen the brightness, you'll see what happens. You get all kinds of meringue going on here. So make sure it's nice and bright. And once it's where you got it, you hit OK. And now let's make a brush out of it. Grab the rectangular marquee tool, and you see it's right there, rectangular marquee. And let's draw a box right around the signature, trying not to get any of the image, and just get it nice and close. Right around there. Once we got the box done, we're going to make a brush out of it. And what the brush does is it collects just the contrasted black image and leaves the white out. So we're going to go up here to Edit, come down to here to Define Brush from Selection. And since we drew the square, it's going to make that the selection. Hit that, and there you see the little signature right there. The brush number is the 788th brush in your list of brushes down here. So you can see it right there in a little box, my signature. And then you can name it what you want. So I'm going to put here, I'm going to retype that as TVP Rich, and then I'll do a dash and say brush. And hit OK. Now whenever we want the image, and I'll show you an example here and then somewhere else, I'll draw a new layer. Let's get rid of that dotted line. And come down to pick the brush. Come down here to brushes. And the last one at the very bottom, 788. And you can see my little signature. I chose it, and there it is. What color do I want it? Well, it just happened to be here. Let's pick a nice black. And I'm going to make the brush here black. I just stamped it right in like it was a stamp. I'll go over to color. Let's make it red. I'll choose red over here, hit OK, and we'll go red. And there, I stamped my signature as a brush. When I zoom in, you'll see that signature is high quality, high contrast, and just everything is just perfect about it. Let's try this. Once again, I'll make a white one, but not here. I'll do it on one of my pictures that I've done here. This is my hummingbird from outside, my hummingbird feeder. So let's say up here in the black, in the darker area, I want my signature. I'll stamp it there. Actually, I'm going to undo this and make a new layer, and I'll stamp it on the new layer so I can resize it if I want. I'll make another new layer, change the color to black, and stamp it down here. Boom. I'm going to hit Choose tool, and it draws the box around the last brush that I drew, and I can make the signature smaller and put it right into place. I'll grab this white one, which is its own brush, and I'll make it bigger. And you can do whatever size you want. When you zoom in, it's nice high quality of your exact signature. As you see, I'm zooming in and moving over. And there it is. That's how easy it is to make a brush out of your signature. I'll make this one smaller, put it down here in this corner over here, and there you have it. How to make a brush out of your own signature. This is Rich calling it quits for now, saying over and out.